Ventolin. For some of you, you know it as the things asthmatic people use, people that have asthma, but it's not just for this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl SoftlifeDoc. If you're new here, welcome. I make medical videos and I also make food vlogs and sometimes lifestyle vlogs, just talking about my life. And you might be seeing some Turkish content on my video. That's because I live in Turkey and I've also got like a Turkish audience and I have to like involve them in my channel, so I make some of my videos in Turkish. Like, please try to be understanding. I put English subtitles under all of my videos, so please don't get bored. Please watch the videos and enjoy. In today's video, I would be talking about first aid kit. What's first aid? First aid is the help you give to an injured person or a sick person until full medical help arrives. Got it? So looking at this first aid kit that I showed you before, it looks small, right? It's like, this is the one I've got. At least half is better than none. This is the one I have, and I've also got this one right here that contains like some of the drugs that I have another one, but right now I can't find it, which is wrong, guys. You need to put all of them together. I need a bigger bag so I can pack all of them together and I don't have to be scrambling about when I have like an emergency. So where do we begin? Your first aid kit. Why do you need one? You need one for emergency situations. Like I said, you don't know when you're going to have an emergency. You don't know when you fall sick. You might have a visitor and you need to like give them medical assistance until you're able to get like an ambulance or get them to the hospital. So you need to like store your first aid kit somewhere you would always remember. And if you've got kids, you need to put them away from your kids. And because you have like drugs included, you need to keep it in a cool, dry place. Got it? So before talking about anything, I'm sure you even was wondering where I got this first aid kit from. So with Turkish Airlines, this is not a sponsored video, I beg. So with Turkish Airlines, when you fly, you get like miles, and my miles were going to be expiring I think last year, and I decided to like use the miles rather than losing all of my miles. I decided to get like this first aid kit instead because I didn't have any and I knew how bad that was. This is not the full thing, but at least like I've got something, right? So I'll be showing you what I've got in this and we'll just move on from there basically. So this is like the contents of the first aid kit that I've got here. So let's begin. You need to have plasters of different sizes. So in the first aid kits I got from Turkish Airlines, I've got this one. You can see them, they're rectangular, and I've also got this large one here. And then myself, I got this one a while back. In it you've got like plasters of different sizes and shapes. You need plasters of different sizes and shapes, guys. You've got the round ones also, because you get like this mini cuts on your finger and you just need to put like a small one, or you could get one here and then you need a larger size, or you could have like on your abdomen, on your back, and then you need like a bigger size. So that's why you have them in like different sizes. And then you've also got bandages. So these are bandages. They also come in different sizes. They also come in different sizes. They're all sterile, so you can see that they are packed, they're not open. And what else have we got? You've got scissors to cut up your plasters, your bandages, whatever you've got. You've got alcohol pads see. I'll be telling you the function of these things later on, but I just want to show you what I've got in mind. What have we got here? You've got an antiseptic swab. What is this? This looks like a tape. Like after putting your bandage, you use this to wrap it, so like you use this to cover up your dressing. You've also got pins for your bandages to hold them together so it doesn't fall off and open up. And then you've got gloves. You've got sterile gloves in it too, and that's all of the contents in my first aid kit. It's so incomplete, guys, and it's insufficient, but at least I think I've got like some basic things, very basic things I might need in future. And then moving on to some medication that I've got. Let me show you what I've got in here. I've got Metpamid. This is for when I'm nauseated. I've got Nurofen. This is a painkiller and also an antipyretic for when I have like fever. This is Acid Pass for when I've got like acid reflux. This is vitamin D. I need to take my vitamin D supplements because when I'm in the hospital, it's an enclosed space and I don't have like sunlight. I don't have access to sunlight, unfortunately. This is Ventolin. For some of you, you know it as the things asthmatic people use, people that have asthma, but it's not just for those people. In emergency situations, when you feel like your respiratory tract, the part of your body you use in breathing, when you feel like it's tight, like you can't breathe, like oxygen going in and carbon dioxide going out, when you feel like that's impossible, especially at night, this helps to like relieve that before you find your way to the hospital. And not just for you, let's say you have a guest or your child is asthmatic, and this will really come in handy for them. You could be saving a life. And then moving on, I've got Zantu Balm. If you know this from Nigeria, those Aboniki and Rob, like you need this for when you have like fever and you're so sick and you need to like open up those sinuses. Like this balm would like help you. And then I've got Flagyl for your diarrhea and stuff. And what else? I've also got Zyrtec. Zyrtec is an antihistaminic for when you've got allergies. I don't know what that is. Bad, guys. Bad. Don't be like me. Yeah. So that's all with my emergency kit, my very incomplete emergency kit. I do hope after today we'll all find our way to like the stores to get our kits if we don't have them already, or try to stock up and fill it up.